It's still early. Honestly, I think if we start 4:09, people are happy because they're so used to it. We do really good here. All right. Oh, let me give you co-host. Sorry. Okay. Make sure you have co-host now. I think I gave it to you.
Yep, I have it.
All right, we've got. Did you put Attorney Warbling in room 1 on purpose?
No, he probably moved. I probably did it by mistake.
Okay, I'll move him to 2.
Unless he went in there to speak to. No, he already knows his offer.
Uh-oh. We need an interpreter in room 4.
Oh, there's one.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Already here?
Yeah, that's her.
Okay. Do they know that there's an interpreter here? Attorney Walling knows?
Yeah, he said I need to run an SOS on him.
All right. Hey, Officer Harris. No long time no see. How are you?
Finding yourself. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you.
You too. Who are you here on today?
I was here for PADY. That's the last name. Ahmed. I was supposed to go back into the waiting room to wait for the attorney.
Okay. The attorney is here, and it was in room 1, which is strange because that's where we send him to send you guys is to room 1. So maybe he was looking for you.
Yeah, I had to check into some other courtrooms.
Okay, I'll put you in room 1.
All right, thank you.
Huh? You have co-host now, right?
Yeah.
The offer is 1 to 5 speed on that one. I wonder if Warbling knows that.
Yeah, attorney.
Just ask him if he knows.
Yeah, attorney Walling told him.
Oh, he told him the offer?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if he was trying to talk to him.
All right, so that's on Katie. James Thomas. I don't see James Thomas. Oh, there he is, James Thomas. I don't know what this means. I don't know if it means no offer.
Probably it's the brandishing fire.
Yeah, I think it's a no offer.
Attorney Worbley, are you ready on your matter?
I was just trying to see if I could speak with Miss Horn real quick.
She's not here yet. Are you aware the offer in your case is 1 to 5 speed?
Yeah, I was aware of that.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure that you had the offer. No problem. She'll be here shortly.
Okay.
She's usually at 9, so she'll be here shortly.
Thank you again.
Thanks. Attorney Land, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Get you co-host here. Ms. Horn will come to room 2 to see you as soon as she gets here. I think you have a client here. Give me a moment.
Miss Peterson, yes.
Yeah, she is in room 5. I don't know if you want to before Ms. Horn gets here, but she's in room 5.
No, I just headed room 2, Your Honor. I talked to her already.
And you there. Christopher Powell, good morning to you. I'm going to get your case called. We'll get your next date set.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you this morning?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Okay. Calling ticket number SP190050001 and all other matters on today's docket related to City versus Christopher Powell. Mr. Powell, just state your name for the record, please.
Christopher Sean Powell.
Okay, thank you. Defense counsel has requested that we set a trial date in your matter, probably to see which officers show up on these tickets. So we're going to set that for June 17th at 9:30 a.m.
Okay.
June 17th, 9:30 a.m. Just zoom right back in here. As for now, we will enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye.
You-
Hey, Attorney Gaten Robinson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I think it's a test for me this morning. I can't find nothing on my docket. Is Kevin Price, was he added to the docket? I don't have him on the docket that I have now I printed Miss Horn's docket with her offers on it.
Oh, yeah, you may not have him, especially if let's see.
Let me see if Miss Kim sent me.
I'm looking for Price too. I have a Trayvon Price.
Kevin Price is scheduled for June 2nd at 1:30, but let me make sure that's not another Kevin Price.
And then what's he scheduled for?
Then, because I have another Kevin Price scheduled for June 10th.
Do you want me to get his date of birth?
Yeah,
because
and a middle initial if we can. Middle
Okay,
name.
give me one moment.
Attorney Wilkerson, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Just
I'm on 3 different cases today. Christian Thomas,
hold on
Aaliyah
one
Perry.
second. Hold on, give me a minute as you say them so I can see if they're here.
Okay.
You said Christian Thomas. I don't have Christian Thomas yet. Who's the other?
Aaliyah Perry.
Nope, I have a Cornelius Perry. Okay.
And Juana Polak.
All right, so we have Christian Thomas, just in case they check in. Aaliyah Perry. And then you said Pollock. What was the first?
Juana, Juwana. I wonder, do I have the wrong date? I don't think I do, though.
It's today at 9:15. So
Spell that last name.
Oh, 9:15. So I'm a little bit early.
Yeah, sometimes they come early too. What's the
Is
last
that
name on the?
Polk.
Okay, not checked in yet.
Okay,
But
so
you have
I'm just a little
co-hosts
bit
and you can
early.
go to.
I have to go. I have another case in Judge Griffin that I'm going to try to go check in on, and then I'll come back.
Okay, let me know when you come back if you want me to look to see if there are offers in the matter. Before it's late,
Thank
okay?
you.
Okay.
Okay, Your
Uh-huh.
Mr. Price's middle name is Lamont. He was born in 65. He is not on
Lamont.
the docket today, and he knows he's not on the docket today. He had medical issues at the time of his previous court date and logged in to try to handle his matter because he was notified that he had a failure to appear.
Gotcha. Okay.
And I'll chat you, Your Honor. I know we're probably over YouTube, and I don't want his personal business on the world.
That's fine. That's fine. So we'll just bring him out so we can clear the warrants and get him another date.
Okay,
but
thank you.
Madam Clerk doesn't already have another date entered for him because I may not have put a warrant. I may have just set a date if I thought something was going on.
this is from February.
It's from February. Is there a warrant? Okay. All right. So we'll clear the warrant.
Okay, 1 second, Your Honor. I'm about to send you something.
Okay. Thanks. I'll send you some because I have so many different boxes here. It may not get to me. So I'll just start here. I just sent you.
Okay.
On the iPhone, please unmute and give me a name.
Aaliyah Perry.
Okay, thank you. Your attorney was just here. She'll be right back.
Thank you.
I'm going to get you into a breakout room to wait for her to return. It will be quiet in the room until she gets there. If you're showing documents like registration or insurance, use the time while you're waiting to gather those things. You're going to room 21. Please hit join now. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Attorney Gaten Robinson, for letting me know that.
Okay, thank you.
what are
I'll
those matters?
tell him you're going to bring him out.
Okay.
Driver license revoked.
Can we run it? That's the only one?
Hmm.
Is that the only charge?
Yeah.
Can we run an SOS on him? Thanks. Good morning, Attorney Horn.
It's still recording.
Okay. Attorney Horn, good morning. Something's going on with her. I don't know what's going on with Nika's equipment. Yeah, she just left. Oh no, she went into room one. I just had Officer McWhirter. Where did he go? Okay, Mr. Price, good morning. Let's get you unmuted, Mr. Price.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all right. Hey, I want to apologize. I
Hold
hope
on
you're
one
not
second,
recording.
Mr. Price. Give me just a second. Okay, give me 1 second. Sergeant
Okay.
McWhirter, you're gonna go to room one. City attorney is already there waiting. Good morning. Please go to room one.
Good morning. Okay.
Okay. All right, Mr. Price. Good morning again.
Okay. Like I said, I wanted to apologize to you for not showing up last time. I had prostate cancer surgery during that day.
Okay. So no harm, no foul. We will remove the warrant, okay?
Okay.
And working on your
I didn't
license? Are you working on your license? You trying to get it back?
Yeah, I'm about to go see a lawyer right now. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So we're gonna give you a date to come back, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna come back and let your attorney know your final pretrial will be set for June 10th at 8:35 a.m.
June 10th. Okay.
You only have the
8:45?
one case that I can see with us. That's the only one I see.
Yeah, I paid the tickets and everything. My wife did while I was in the hospital. You said that's 8:30,
How
right?
many tickets you paid?
I paid both those tickets.
Hold on 1 second. Madam Clerk, if you get a chance, let me know what those are. Don't go anywhere yet, Mr. Price. Officer Salazar, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Which case are you here on, please?
Last name Peterson,
And what's the first name or first initial?
A.
Thank you. Sending you to room one. I just kind of want to know what other tickets he paid because she may want to dismiss.
Unsafe and disregard red signal.
Thank you. All right, Attorney Slavin, good morning. Gonna give you co-host, also move you to room two so you can see the city attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor, and good morning to you and your staff.
Morning, just looking to see. I don't have anyone here by that name. I'll move you to room two now.
Very good. Thank you.
City attorney will be there shortly.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Philpott, good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Is that your full name, Ronnie Philpott?
Correct.
Okay, I'm going to get you into a breakout room. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
Oh, Madam Clerk tells me you're early. You're not scheduled till June 4th.
Oh, June 4th.
Yeah.
This not June 4th. My God. Thank you, Judge.
No, you're way
Excuse
early.
me.
You're way early. June
Okay.
about a week, I think. Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you. Have a great day.
We'll see you back then. You too. Bye.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Price, can you give me just a minute? I want to return you to your breakout room.
Okay, but you said that was June 10th at 8:30?
Yeah, but don't go anywhere just yet, please.
Okay.
Okay, he said he just paid tickets for.
Driving in an unsafe manner and red signal.
Okay, you know what, Mr. Price? Here's what I'm gonna do. I am gonna give you the date to come back. Can you hear me? I need you to pay attention. All right.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
You said you're going to see your lawyer today.
No, I said I'm going. I gotta go see a lawyer. I've got to set one up.
Okay, so when you come here, we give you an attorney to work with you.
Okay.
Here's the issue. You paid 2 tickets. When were those tickets from? Do you know, Madam Clerk, the unsafe manner and the disregard red?
December 15th, 2025.
Okay, so you paid 2 tickets that could have been pulled out of default. Mr. Price, you're making me busy. So I'm trying to tell you something for your own
I'm
good.
sorry. Okay, I'm right here. I'm right here.
When you paid your 2 tickets, driving in an unsafe manner and disregarding a red signal, you admitted guilt on those tickets and they put a lot of points on your license. So if you're going to put with a lawyer, you should let them know that you just paid those 2 tickets. Sorry, Ms. Horn. I'm sorry to have pulled you. Mr. Price he needs some more help outside of you. Thank you. Sorry about that.
No problem. Good morning. I was having technical difficulties when I came.
I saw that.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You should let any attorney you talk with, Mr. Price, you should let them know that you paid these 2 tickets.
Okay.
And that tickets put points on your license and that you may need to try to make a motion to withdraw admission so that you can package all these tickets together and try to avoid all those points on your license.
Okay.
Okay. You can do that when you come back. I'm gonna tell you what, I love Zoom court and that people can work, but I can't work with all that going. I literally can't concentrate. So on June 10th, I'm back at 8:35. Okay. I need you to not have all that stuff moving around you. So June 10th, 8:35 a.m. When you come that day, they're only going to have this 1 ticket on the docket, but you need to let them know about the 2 other ones that you paid and see if they can do anything with those.
Okay, I will.
All right, Mr. Price, we'll see you back June 10th.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Make sure we remove any warrants associated with him, please, Madam Clerk. Attorney Walling, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you this lovely day?
Great, thanks. How are you?
Good. I'm gonna send Mr. Powell out to you. He needs a bench trial date, unless you were back at me giving him, but that's okay. I want you to see how you like to do it.
I do it, but I do it both ways, just depending upon who's working. So if you just put it in the notes that he wants a bench trial, that's fine. She, Madam Clerk, did let you know there was tickets and warrant status as well.
Oh.
In the room title, it has ticks and warrant status from 5/26, so that you would know.
You just missed court Tuesday.
Oh, okay.
Terry Powell, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have his file. He missed court Tuesday.
May I also, Madam Clerk, get a copy of the Zoe Thomas ticket, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
So how do you want to deal with Mr. Powell? You want to give him, we'll need to clear the warrants and then he needs a bench trial date?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You want me to pull him out since you're here?
Sure. Well, I just want to let him know that, hey, we're on the ball on his warrants, so.
Right. Yep. So I'll pull him out so we can just do that on the record too.
Sure.
Maurice Turner, good morning. I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Please be patient. It will be quiet in the room until they get there. Use the time to gather documents if you need to do that. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
Okay, that's fine. Going to get you into breakout room and an attorney will come see you. Please be prepared to wait and be patient. Room 22, please join. Mr. Powell, good morning.
Good morning.
I wanted to see Powell. Wrong Powell.
Morning. Not Terry Powell?
No, I'm sorry.
Huh?
Not you, sir. Relax.
Okay.
We were ready, but we're not, so I'm going to put you back, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Watch your device. I'm going to move you twice so that I can put you back in the right room.
Okay.
I guess he left on his own. I didn't give him a date. As I said, I guess he left on his own.
What room was he in?
6.
Oh,
Let me look at. I took pictures. Hold on.
all right. Attorney Slavin, are you ready on Jaleel Travis?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. One moment. Mr. Powell, I need you to go back to that breakout room, sir.
To the what room, ma'am?
Join the breakout room, sir. Please watch your device and join when you see a prompt. I'm going to move you twice. Join. Same way you did earlier, sir. Join the breakout room. Okay. Attorney Slavin, you're ready on Jaleel Travis?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right. Are you waiving presence?
I am waiving my client's presence, Your Honor. Today was the date and time set for a formal hearing. I spoke with the prosecutor. According to the prosecutor, she's checked and the officers failed to appear. I'd like to make a motion to dismiss.
A moment. Calling ticket number SX466755561, City versus Jaleel Travis. As you said, counsel set for formal hearing today at 8:30 a.m. Your appearance, please.
So Slavin, P number 617 on behalf of Mr. Travis.
Okay, officers failed to appear thus
Today
far
was the
this
date.
morning.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Sorry. And your motion, sir?
And we'd like to make a motion to dismiss.
All right, thank you. Motion to dismiss without prejudice is granted due to the officer's failure to appear. Time now being after 9 a.m. Case having been scheduled for formal hearing at 8:30. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you. May I have the James Thomas file, Madam Clerk? Attorney Kavanaugh, I'll be right with you. Phone number ending in 6127. I need a name, please. Phone number ending in 6127. I need your name.
6127. My name is Dennis Pigney. I'm calling from another phone because this is my first
Spell your last
Zoom
name,
situation.
Mr. Pigney. Spell your
I was
last
trying
name.
to make sure. Hold on a second. One more time, ma'am.
Spell your last name.
Pinckney.
Okay. Now,
I
you
think
are
I'm
already
on Zoom on my own phone, but this is not my phone. I'm calling from another phone to make sure I'm not that I'm on court, so I won't miss
So, Ms.
it.
Pinkney, you're still on court. You're waiting to see an attorney, and this is what makes it take longer. If every time somebody's tired of waiting, they come out and I have to review their case twice, we'll be here twice as long. Please wait in your breakout room. The attorneys are coming to you. Just be patient. They're on their way. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. All right. Good morning, everybody. Calling ticket number P1890105, City versus James Thomas. Good morning, counsel. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. Kelly Kavanaugh, P86281 on behalf of Mr. James Thomas. Mr. Thomas, please state your name.
James Thomas.
Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. I do believe the officer has not been present today. Additionally, I represent Mr. Thomas on the felony file that this charge is also included on. So this charge is also part of the case that's in the Third Circuit Court currently with Mr. Thomas. So I am asking the court for a dismissal today of the misdemeanor.
Case was scheduled at 8:30 a.m. However, this case was scheduled for pretrial so that an officer would not have been subpoenaed to appear.
Correct, Ms. Kavanaugh, I would have let you know that.
So, all right, so I can't dismiss it for no officer having appeared. because the officer was not subpoenaed to appear today. We're here for pretrial. What I can do, what's your next court date in circuit court?
It is, I believe, June 26th. Let me just double check, Your Honor. Yes, correct.
All right. I can push this out to June 29th, so you can at least maybe have your next pretrial at circuit court and you have a better idea of what's going on there, and you can let Ms. Horn know when you come back. So 30 days from now would be June 29th, if that works for you.
That's perfect. Thank you, Judge.
Okay,
And
so
would you like discovery? Because I get the other case, but I'm gonna proceed on this one even so. So you can take my email address. You can email me and request discovery. The court rule allows 21 days for prosecution to get that to you. And I like this to give you 7 days to watch at your leisure. I'm in the Bar Journal. If you don't mind.
Ms. Horn, Tamika Horn is saying you can find her in the Bar Journal, so you can send your request for discovery. We'll reset this matter for June 29th at 8:30. We'll set it for 8:35 a.m. for final pretrial. Okay, that gives you a chance to get discovery and start to review it and know what's going on with the other case. Sound good?
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
Okay, we'll see you both back then. Thank you.
I'll call you, sign off.
Morning, Tompkins. How are you? We didn't have Christian Thomas check in yet. I was looking for Attorney Wilkerson's other matters. You said that they did know there was an interpreter, House Counsel knows there's an interpreter waiting in room 4. I wonder if they don't have an offer on that case. Let's see.
No, he has a New York license. Or I just told her.
Okay. Is that his only charge?
No, he has some civil fraction.
Okay. She has the file.
She's looking at another one, right?
Okay, I don't want to hold, I worry about holding interpreters because there's so few of them. So let's give her that file too, please. Is it Officer Salazar?
Yes, that would be for Land's case, Peterson.
He left and came back and he didn't let me know. So
I do have his number, Your Honor.
Is it on Peterson?
Yes, I do have it. We're pretty much looking at the reckless, Your Honor.
Attorney Land knows that.
Yes, I told him I was here.
Thank you. All right, going to room 1, Officer Salazar, please join the breakout room. Oh, I know. Did you talk to Werbling again?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay. Yeah, I've got folks in rooms 4, 5, 8, and 10. You sent Walling a copy of Zoe Thomas's ticket? Something?
Yeah.
Okay. Remember he asked for that. Can I see that file, please? Zoe Thomas file. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is Peterson, his last client.
And you needed, you got, oh, I.
Yep, I'm bringing it back to you, Katie. That's WordBlank's client. I had to look up the,
Oh,
Ameth Theum in room 4. That's the interpreter case. So I want to make sure that they have an offer on that one so the interpreter can get going. Attorney Wilkerson has 3 clients that are coming in. Good morning, Ms. Pollock.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm good. You're working with Attorney Wilkerson. She did check in earlier. She'll be back.
Okay.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room so that you'll be ready to meet with her when she gets here.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and join breakout room 3, please. All right, I have Richard Phillips. Good morning. Richard Phillips, please unmute. Okay, Mr. Phillips, good morning. Is that your correct name, sir?
Yes, it is.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
Just my attorney, Mr. Perkins.
Todd Perkins?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to put you in a breakout room to meet with until your attorney gets here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You're going to room 6. Please hit join.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Be right with you. Okay, I have Kristen. Please unmute and give me a full name.
Kristen Thomas.
Thank you. You're also working with Attorney Wilkerson.
I only spoke with him that one time at the last.
This would be a she.
Oh, I never talked to her.
She's been appointed to you, so you'll get to talk to her today. Okay, she'll be back here shortly.
Okay.
She had to go check into another room, but she'll be back. All right, I'm putting you in room 9. Please hit join. I have those files that Ms. Horn was just working with. Please. Thank you. Whoops. Thank you. I was trying to see if she wrote up the offers. Did she? No. She'll go back in the rooms and talk to them about this. Thank you. Liam, I do need to know what the offer is, though. Okay, there we go. Anisha Peterson. Did she just have that file, Anisha Peterson? I thought she was working with that one. Okay, she's back in with them. That's good. Hey, Attorney Werbeling, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. Sorry to take up your time. I guess it was worth a shot, but we were ready. Thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor. Yeah.
Yeah, it's always worth a shot.
Yeah, you never exactly.
Okay, let's see. Try to get Officer Harris out here.
Sure.
I have it, thank you. I'm just trying to get your client out. I don't know if you want to go get it. Oh, not your client, the officer out.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right, calling ticket number P1898152, City versus Ahmed Patty or Patty. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this court, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your Honor, it's a civil matter. If I could waive his appearance, I do have the authority to accept the offer on his behalf.
All right, thank you. Waiver appearance is granted. Officer Harris, would you please state your name for the record?
Yes, I'm Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. Okay, counsel, what's our resolution today?
Judge, the prosecution's been generous enough to reduce this matter and amend it to a speeding 1 to 5 over. I can accept that on behalf of the client.
No.
Okay. All right, court will accept your admission on your client's behalf. Fine is $125, 60 days to pay it or get on the payment plan.
Thank you again, Judge. You and your staff have a wonderful week.
Same. Have a great one. Bye.
Thank you, you too.
All right. Thank you, Officer Harris. Good to see you.
Well, likewise.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. We have Anisha Peterson. All right. What's going on here? Why do I have so many tickets from Ms. Peterson? Madam Clerk, Attorney Land is here with Ms. Peterson. I just want to make sure. I've just got a whole stack of tickets here. One all the way back to 2018. Well, maybe not. I mean, maybe I don't have the question. Sorry. Yeah, 2015. They're getting dismissed pursuant because they're so old. Okay.
And Judge, I'll be right back. I'm just going to go check in and come back and check on the trials around 9:45. Okay, thank you, Judge. Bye, Attorney Land. Bye, Ms.
Okay, take care.
Okay, calling ticket number P1864210, City versus Anisha Peterson. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ivan Land, P65879, appearing on behalf of Anisha Peterson, who's present on the Zoom screen. Your Honor, we have no objection to holding these proceedings by Zoom. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you, Ms. Peterson. Good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Anisha Peterson.
Thank you. All right, counsel, what's our resolution today?
Your Honor, with this court's approval, I talked to the city attorney and she's allowed Ms. Peterson to be responsible to a due care ticket, Your Honor. I think it's a 2-point ticket. I didn't understand the terminology, but I believe it's a 2-point ticket, and she's agreed to dismiss all remaining cases against Ms. Peterson for the exchange of a responsible plea. Thank you.
All right, thank you. It's basically using due care and caution with respect to a waste utility vehicle, following them too closely, getting, that's what it encompasses, but it's a reduction from reckless driving, Ms. Peterson. So what I will do is just ask you to raise your right hand, swear affirm you're going to tell me the truth today.
I am.
Thank you. Okay, so what you're admitting to is then on February 9th of 2026 in the area of Greenfield and Puritan, you're admitting to reckless driving, but we will reduce it to the 2-point ticket as to how we entered in the system. Are you admitting to that?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So Attorney Landis will go in as a fail to use due care and caution waste utility.
Okay.
That
Thank
saves
you
you a
so
couple.
much.
Saves you a couple points, Ms. Peterson.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. And Madam Clerk, do you know the fine?
You set the time.
Fail to use. Okay.
Oh,
So
yeah, you set the time.
all right. All right. The fine is $190. That's as low as I can make it, Ms. Peterson. You get 60 days to either pay it in full or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. If you need a longer time to pay, you just have to give them the down payment within the next 60 days. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
That plan, you're welcome. You got to do that to keep your deal in place. And as part of your deal, I got quite a few other tickets that are being outright dismissed to your plea. So make sure that you take care of that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day. Thanks. Oh,
You
Officer
as well.
Salazar, your name for the record, please. Officer Salazar, please unmute.
Officer Salazar Victor.
Thank you.
Badge.
All right. Thank you very much. All right. All of you have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, officer. And Your Honor, you have a great day and enjoy the weather.
Do the same. All right. You guys do the same thing. The blank paper, Madam Clerk. I've got too many to write on here. Thank you. Thank you. All right. We've got Mr. Pinkney, who is going to need another pretrial and an MIDC attorney. Mr. Pinkney, would you send Mr. Pinkney a chat, please, to make sure that we got his information? Mr. Pinkney, can you please unmute? Mr. Pinkney, I need you to unmute so we can understand what's happening with your case.
Can you hear me now?
There we go. How you doing?
I'm all right.
Did Mr. Walling, the attorney you spoke to, did he get like a phone number and email address for you?
Correct. Yes, he did.
Okay, very good. Then we don't need to do that again. Then you're going to be watching your email and your phone for contact from an attorney. We're going to set a final pretrial date so that you have a chance to meet the attorney here in case you haven't had a chance to connect before that. So we'll bring you back June 10th, please, at 9:15 a.m. June 10th at 9:15 a.m. for a final pretrial. And again, if you have not connected with your appointed counsel by then, that will be the day to get that done. Okay?
Okay.
Have a great day. We'll see you then.
What time we say June 10th?
9:15.
9:15. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks.
Kristen back. All her clients are waiting. All right. Jessica Taylor, good morning to you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. You are scheduled for today. What time?
I was told 9:30.
Okay, thank you. That helps me find you on the docket. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
I'm sorry, can you say that again?
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No.
Okay, and can you tell me if you have valid registration or insurance documents today?
Yes, I do.
Very good. So then the officer is here. It's good that you have your docs. I'll go ahead and get you into a breakout room so that an attorney can come and speak with you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hey, Jackson, I need to know if her middle name is Michelle.
Give me 1 second. All right, you're joining room 23. Someone will be to see you shortly.
Okay, thank you.
Danielle Jackson, please unmute. We need a middle name for you, please.
My middle name is Michelle Charisse.
Thank you.
She's in the wrong courtroom. She should be in 220.
All right, you're supposed to be in room 220 right now.
I joined over there and it says they never started a meeting and I didn't know who to contact. So I just contacted the next court I saw to make sure that
Yeah, that court doesn't start until 9:30. So you were early, and so probably there was no one to let you in yet.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. We've got a dismissal on Cornelius Perry. We're going to bring him on out. And then Danielle Phillips is ready. So we'll take Perry and Phillips, please, whenever you're ready. Thank you. Cornelius Perry, good morning. Please go ahead and unmute, start your camera, and we'll take care of your matter. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Calling ticket number P1884185, City versus Cornelius Perry. Mr. Perry, please state your name for the record.
Cornelius Perry.
Thank you. Your tickets are for no insurance and improper plates. Defense counsel has reviewed valid documentation as to both of those matters. Asked me to dismiss your tickets on that basis. A motion I am happy to grant. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Let's get Ms. Phillips out here.
Hello.
Good morning, Ms. Phillips. All right, we're
Good
going to get your
morning.
mat. Good morning. Okay. I've got ticket number P1893481 and SP179-82532 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Danielle Renee Phillips. Ms. Phillips, please state your name for the record.
Danielle Phillips.
Thank you. All right, you're going to be admitting to 1 to 5 over speed limited access, and then everything else is going to be dismissed because you did bring valid documentation. That reduction will give you a 0-point ticket, so it won't put any points on your license. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. I just need an answer.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
it
you.
is true. Thank you.
All right. Then is it true that on April 7th of 2026 in the area of Whittier or Lake Point Street that you either disregarded a red or yellow light or you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit?
Yes.
Which one?
The red light. Disregard
Okay,
the red light.
we'll still enter it as a 1 to 5 over limited access. I just need to take the plea of the admission, okay? For the record, everything else is dismissed per your plea. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I let her go without telling her what the fine was. It's statutory. She'll be able to. All right, Ashton Tarpley. Good morning, Ashton Tarpley. Please unmute, start your video.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm all right.
All right. Calling ticket number X4617872 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Ashton Tarpley. Mr. Tarpley, state your name for the record, please.
Ashton Tarpley.
All right, Mr. Tarpley, you got a stack of tickets here with me. That's okay. That's why they're setting it for bench trial. We'll see which officers are still around and which ones show up. All right, so you got a bench trial date, June 17th at 9:30 a.m. I need you to zoom back in, June 17th, 9:30 a.m.
June 17th.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right, Attorney Wilkerson, I think all of your clients are here. One of them left and just came back. She's in the waiting room. Going to bring her out.
Oh,
all right.
Okay.
Ms. Pollock, please don't leave. Your attorney is here, so we don't want you to miss her. Give me just a second, Wilkerson, because I think I had a note with Ms. Pollock as to her offer. Oh boy. All right, so you've got an offer on room 7, Alea Perry. The offer is to a 6-month delay there. Let's see about Ms. Pollock. Ms. Pollock has an offer to 1 count of failure to display. Although, Madam Clerk, we need to run an SOS on Joanna Pollock. Please let me know what you get. Brandon Turner, you need to sit up. We don't hold court in bed. I don't ask you to come watch me in my bed. I'm not going to watch you in yours. Thank you. Okay. Attorney Wilkerson, in room 7, that's a layup here. You've got the 6-month delay offer on Ms. Pollock. I'll let you know as soon as we get the SOS back. That could change things. And then the other one was Kristen Thomas, who did come in, and I'm not seeing her anymore. There she is.
Have an offer on her?
Looking at that right now. Her offer is to regular OWI.
All right.
Yeah, reduction from the high back.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so the offer on Ms. Pollock is 1 count of FTD, still showing suspended.
Okay. Did she only have the 1 driving charge? That's what I wanted to know. They only give me 1 charge on my appointment sheet. I didn't know else.
She's got driving suspended as well as no insurance, so she's got 2.
Okay, so they're gonna do a plea 1, dismiss 1.
Yeah, dismiss the insurance for the reduced FTD on the driving suspended. I need to get her into a breakout room. I'm going to put her in room 3, Ms. Pollock. Okay.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry, can you tell me one more time which room Miss Thomas was in? I didn't get her room.
Yeah, give me 1 second. Ms. Thomas is in room, I erased it, 9. Ms. Thomas is in room 9.
Okay,
and you've got room 7, so you've got 3, 7, and 9.
All right, thank you so much.
Okay, Mr. Turner, now we will get to you. Give me just a second. Attorney Wilkerson giving you co-host right now. All right, you should have co-host so you can move around to your clients, Attorney Wilkerson. All right, calling ticket number P1858578, City versus Brandon Turner. Mr. Turner, your name for the record, please. Unmute.
Brandon Abner Turner.
Thank you. Okay, you've got failure to display operator's license, no insurance, expired place. Defense counsel has now reviewed all of these valid documents, has made a motion to dismiss on that basis, which I am going to grant. All right, you've already shown them to defense counsel, so I'll take him at his word. Okay. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. All tickets are dismissed. All right, have a great day, Mr. Turner.
Thanks. You have a good one too.
All right, bye.
Good to have some smiles here.
Yep, exactly. All right. Have a good day. It's going on. Okay. Mr. Tesson, good morning. Uh-oh.
Miss Kim,
Yes,
so for Mr. Terry Powell,
yes.
can I give him this June the 10th date? He really thought today was the 6th.
The 26th, yeah, it's not 26th. Yes, I'll, do you need to put that on the record?
Yeah, we'll bring him out just so we can make sure the warrants are removed on the record, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. You may need to pop in and tell him to come out. I don't know. I'm trying to
Okay.
move him. Oh, can you call over to Todd Perkins' office? Thank you.
Get in touch with
Oh, here it is. Hey, Attorney Perkins. I'm looking for I was trying to see if there was an offer on Richard Phillips. Good morning, Attorney Perkins.
Good morning. Sorry, I just stepped out of court.
That's okay. I was really just trying to see because city attorney she was here, then she left. I was just trying to see if there was an offer in your case.
I don't think I didn't get one. And so typically, is it Tamika Horn?
Yeah.
Yeah. Typically, she'll email one to me, but she did not.
Okay.
And so I don't know.
So yep, I've got it's a high BAC, which means the offer is probably the regular OWI. But she didn't say that, so I don't know.
Okay.
And she's not here now.
Let's see.
So if you need to go back into court, I can when she gets back, we can make sure that we get an offer on your file.
Okay. I did want to address when she gets back. My client is a musician, a well-renowned musician fairly, and he needed permission to travel.
Yeah, I don't have an issue with travel.
Okay. All right. But he just wants to be mindful of making the request.
Yeah, so and you'll remind me at sentencing that that's what we discussed, I'm sure.
Yes.
And that he needs to not have his travel restricted.
Well, he
Okay.
needs to travel for work.
Yeah.
Before, if we pled today, even before sentencing, I think. So I'll
okay.
let you know. Yeah.
Yeah, that's I don't have an issue with that.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to go back to deal with your other matter?
I'm gonna leave it on, but I'm just gonna like sort of put it in a power down mode, but I'm not gonna jump off. I'm gonna stay on.
Sounds good. I'll stick you in room 2 then, so Ms. Horn can find you when she gets back.
All right. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Okay. Do you see Dayton Robinson? Okay. I'm trying to see who's on what. I thought someone was sending Terry Powell on his way. I thought she was. She was going to give him the June date and send him on, right?
Yes.
Let's see if we can bring him out. Oh, that's why we couldn't get him to come out. All right, Mr. Powell, good morning. Can I have a Terry Powell file, please?
Oh, it's not.
Oh, because he's not here. Would you mind calling it, please?
For Terry Anthony Powell, SP 106-59411, and all other matters that was scheduled for May 26, 2026 that are now in warrant status.
Right, Mr. Powell, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Terry Powell.
Okay, we're going to remove your warrants and give you a date to come back to court so we can get all this done, okay? It's a couple days late. We're going to remove the warrants at this time. I'm going to have you come back. Did she tell you June 10th?
June 10th.
8:35 a.m. I want you to zoom back in here, not June 12th, June 10th. Make sure you're looking at the calendar, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, June 10th, 8:35 a.m. We'll see you back.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day, Mr. Powell.
Yeah.
She says that, oh, maybe that's what she.
Okay. Let's see if she can handle room 4 because he's caught up. Ms. Thomas, your attorney is here. You're next on her list, okay? She had 3 of you here today. She's with the second person, then she'll be with you shortly, all right?
Oh, okay.
Okay, now I'm going to need to move you back into this room, so I'm going to move you twice. Watch your device. You're going to get moved, and then you're going to get moved again, but join each time.
Okay.
And join for me. I'm trying to see if Gaten Robinson can come help me with the interpreter matter, but I haven't been able to get out yet. Oh, this is not going. Hey, your client in room 9 is asking for help. I just told her that you were on your way, so I just wanted to let you know.
Okay, also, can we pull out my client from 7? I just need to set a bench trial date for her.
Okay, yeah, we'll get that done.
And then
I just prompted her out. If you want to go grab her, you can. Attorney Gaten, morning again.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I'm wondering if you could help me with room 4. We have an offer there. And we've got an interpreter that's been there all morning. I want to get her out of here, but Walling has several more rooms to get through down at the bottom. Could you visit room 4 and see if you can give some assistance there?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Can I have the Jessica not Jessica Taylor. Can I have Alea Perry's file and Joanna Pollock's file, please?
Yep.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Pollock, one moment. I'm just waiting for your attorney to come back out.
Okay, Judge.
Okay, we're ready now. Okay, do I have Attorney Wilkerson with me? There we go. All right, Attorney Wilkerson, we'll get Ms. Perry done, and then I brought Ms. Pollock out since it looks like she's ready too, if that's okay with you.
Yes, that's fine, Your Honor. Are you okay with proceeding while I go talk to them at 9, or do you need me out here?
Oh, I'm happy to do whichever way you'd like.
I was just gonna go speak to my client at 9, but can you tell me the big trial date for Perry ahead of time, just so I'll have it?
Yes. Can you do June 17th at 9:30?
June 17th. That should be. Let me just double check. At 9:30. Yes, that's fine.
Okay, we'll set it for that, June 17th at 9:30. Okay, Alea Perry, please unmute, turn your camera on. Calling ticket number P1889591, City versus Alea Diamond Perry. Ms. Perry, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Alea Perry.
Thank you. All right. Today we're going to set a bench trial for you. That bench trial date's going to be June 17th of 2026 at 9:30 a.m. It's by Zoom, so you can just log right back in here like you just did today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Mr. Pritchett will be right with you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Pritchett is ticket number P1871427 and P1871424. Mr. Pritchett, state your name for the record.
Daryl Pritchett.
Thank you. Did Attorney Walling get your information, your email and phone number?
Yes, he did. Thank you.
All right. So then we're going to give you a date to come back. Oh, we also have ticket number P1871395. Okay, so you're going to come back on all of those for a final pretrial on June 10th at 9:15 a.m.
Okay. Me too. Okay.
All right, we will see you back June 10th, 9:15 a.m. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, Ms. Pollock, calling ticket number P1858577, City versus Joanna Pollock. Ms. Pollock, good morning. Please turn your camera on and state your name for the record.
Good morning, Joanna Pollock for the record.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of failure to display a valid license. The no insurance count will be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. I just need an answer, please.
Yes.
Thank you. Ma'am, is it true that on April 10th of 2026 in the area of Michigan and Woodward that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to either pay it in full or start on a longer term payment plan with the cashiers by giving them a down payment within the 60 days. That's how you keep your deal in place. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
All right. Attorney Dayton Robinson.
Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm trying, but this interpreter is one like I've never experienced before. She is having her own side conversations with my client, and I don't know what she's saying.
Let's bring everybody out. Thank you. If you'd go and ask everyone to join the main session, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello.
All right. Good morning to my interpreter. Good morning. Please turn on your camera.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And Mr. Tim, good morning.
I'm
All right.
Good morning.
Madam Interpreter, I don't know that we've met before. Have we met? Have you worked in my courtroom before?
I'm not sure.
Okay, all right. I'm going to have you raise your right. I need to get you sworn in. Please raise your right hand. And what language are you interpreting today?
Wolof.
Okay, thank you. Please raise your right hand and state your name and qualifications for the record, please.
My name is Yai Absediopsek. I'm here to interpret from English to Wolof and Wolof to English.
Okay, thank you. And do you swear or affirm that you will, as accurately and to the best of your ability, translate Wolof to English and English to Wolof?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. All right. And tell me about your qualifications as an interpreter, please. I do need to find you qualified because I don't think we've worked together before.
Okay, I'm an interpreter from like English to Wolof and Wolof to English and French to Wolof and French to English.
Okay. And when is the last time you can put your hand down. When is the last time you provided interpreter services for the court?
Last week.
Okay. And do you know what kind of matter that was? Was that a traffic matter? Was that a?
Yes, a traffic matter.
Okay. So I need you to be sure, I will find you qualified as you have recently interpreted for the court. I need you to be certain that all you are doing is interpreting. We cannot muddy the waters, muddy the record. You are only to translate to Mr. TM what Ms. Gaden Robinson says to him and only translate back what he says to her. If he's asking you questions, you need to tell him that the questions are, directed to the attorney or to the judge. He's not to be asking you for legal advice or anything else, okay? It's strictly interpretation. I'm going to have you all return to the breakout room. What I'll do is I'll just move you to room 3 because it's easier. So everyone will see the prompt. Please advise Mr. Thiam to join room 3.
I'm going to rejoindre room 3. Room 3. Dinañ la send foofu noonu après nga click room 3 join. Bësal joindre.
Okay, and you should join now as well. He'll meet you there. Attorney Gaden Robinson, let me know if you have any other issues.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. They're in room 3 now. Thank you. What's Kevin Tate's charge with? Room 8.
He has some paper matters that he
Okay. All right, I'm going to come back to that because I am going to need to know. All right, can I have the Kristen Thomas file, please? Thank you. All right, calling ticket number Z807215 and all other related matters on today's docket. Looks like that's the only one. To City versus Kristen Thomas. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Town Manager Wilkerson, P81003, on behalf of Ms. Thomas. Ms. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Kristen Thomas.
Your Honor, at this time, I'm asking for a final pretrial date. Ms. Thomas has a little bit more involved in her case than I was aware of. I'll need a little bit of time to look into it, and also get the discovery, Your Honor.
Okay, has discovery been requested yet?
No, I'm going to request it right now today, so that way the clock will already be ticking.
All right, then we'll set the final pretrial. Is June 10th 3 weeks?
June 17th.
That's our 3-week date.
Wait, June 18th. What's today?
All right, we'll set the final pretrial here for June the 18th.
Okay, Your Honor, if you don't mind, you just set my other case for 17th. Can I just do the same
Oh, I'm
date?
fine with the 17th. You just got to get your discovery request out today.
Okay, I will get it out immediately today.
Okay. All right, so final pretrial, we'll set it for June 17th at 9:15.
That's fine. Thank you, Your Honor.
Got it. Okay, we'll see you back then.
Okay, you're all set to go, Ms. Thomas. I'll give
Thomas,
you a
you'll
call.
zoom back. Yeah,
Thank
zoom back in to us June 17th at 9:15, Ms. Thomas.
Okay, I'll mark my calendar. Thank you.
I think.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Thank you, Attorney Wilkerson. We do need her. I don't understand what's going on with these cases. McWhorter. Did Taylor show up on McWhorter? Because he can go. What is it? I'm gonna just text Mika. Like it's been. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Turner, looks like we're gonna get a bench trial date set for you.
Okay.
All right, calling ticket number P1896028 and P1895780, City versus Maurice Turner. Mr. Turner, just state your name for the record, please.
Maurice Turner.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Turner, looks like you got tickets really for unregistered vehicle, no insurance, and proper plates. The more of those that you can take care of before your next trial, your court date, the better.
Okay.
We'll set you a bench trial date for June 17th at 9:30 a.m.
June 17th, 9:30 a.m. Okay.
Okay. We'll see you back then. Please zoom back in June 17th, 9:30 a.m. for your bench trial.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
I don't know if we're not doing final pre-trials or what's going on. I don't know what we're doing in rooms 20, 8, 10, and 20. Hey, Attorney Gaden Robinson, how we doing?
Is Miss Horn available?
I just sent her a text telling her we need her back. She said she'll be there shortly, but she also said just talked with Phil, who I was hoping was you, but maybe not.
No.
Okay. Oh, she talked to Wally. Yeah, so you may want to text her too with any questions that you have. But she said she'll be back shortly.
Okay.
Because we kind of need to know on Jessica Taylor too, whether there's an offer on the moving violation. She has her documents.
Yep, I'm gonna text her about both of them.
Okay, thanks. On Kevin Tates Jr., can I have his file, please? Thank you. His license is valid. They're asking for a bench trial. Okay, Ms.
All right,
Warren,
thank you,
good morning.
Judge.
All right, I know they're waiting on you. Gaden Robinson's in 2, Perkins is in room 2. You now have co-hosts.
All righty.
On the one that McWhorter is on, she's got her paperwork, but she has one moving violation, so they need to talk to you about that, I know.
Okay, got it. Yep. Okay, and he's still here. Okay, cool.
What's going on, Kevin? Okay, I see. They are going to motion these out of default. Very good. All right. Yeah. Mr. Tates, good morning. Let's go ahead and get you unmuted. Turn your camera on for me. Good morning. Did Mr. Walling just send you out?
Yes, he did.
Okay. Attorney Walling, good morning again.
Good morning.
I have for Mr. Tates, I've got driving while license suspended, license is valid, plates and registration and insurance in default. I'm assuming that you've checked those.
Yes.
And motion them out. And then we've got 1 to 5 on that disregard red or yellow with accident. Yes.
That is the people's offer. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, just call them out so you can make your motion on the defaults. P1872071, P1872058, P1805399, and P1798815, all city versus Kevin Tates Jr. For the record, ticket ending in 2058, all 3 counts are in default. Counsel, are you making a motion to take those out there from February 2026?
I am, Your Honor.
Granted, defaults are removed. Same on the ticket ending in 8815, count 2, the accident disregard red or yellow is also in default from September 25. Making a motion to set aside that default.
So moved.
All right, granted. Mr. Tate, state your name for the record, please.
Kevin Tates Jr.
All right, looks like you're going to resolve all of this with just a single 1 to 5 over. Everything else being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me is the truth.
Yes.
Are you admitting that on September 19th of 2025 in the area of Van Dyke and Charlevoix that you were exceeding the speed limit by at least 1 mile per hour?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That fine is $125. You have 60 days. If you can't pay it all in 60 days, that's okay. At least get the cashiers on the first floor down payment. Tell them you need a longer term payment plan within the 60 days, and all this stuff that got dismissed today stays dismissed. Your deal remains in place, okay?
Okay.
Have a great day, sir.
Thank you so much.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Attorney Walling.
Call Deanna Pritchett, Your Honor.
Yeah, I can bring her out. Where is she?
She's in room 20.
Oh, wait, see, I lose track down there. I didn't see her. Okay, let's get her on out. Bringing her out now.
Thanks.
Ms. Pritchett, good morning. Go ahead and unmute, please. And then can I have that file, please, Madam Clerk, on Deanna Pritchett? Thank you. Thank you. All right, calling ticket number P15900507 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Deanna Pritchett. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling, representing Deanna Pritchett. State your name, please, Ms. Pritchett.
Deanna Pritchett.
Now, Your Honor, pursuant to my discussions with Ms. Pritchett, she's telling me that she had a court date on April the 16th of this year. And all these matters she believed was resolved on that day. She went down to set up a payment plan and they said, no, there are other tickets. So I'm kind of at a loss of what's been covered and what hasn't been covered.
Just a moment and we'll look into that. Ms. Horn and Sergeant McWhirter, we got a resolution on Taylor.
I believe so, Your Honor. Blocking traffic and dismissal for the compliance documents.
Okay, thank you. All right.
While you're looking, Ms. Horn, can you do me a favor, please? Oh, she go back in the room.
Yes, Mr. Walling.
Could you just send me a hi so I can reply to it with Ms. Zoe Thomas's ticket?
And then, Madam Clerk, we're going to need your help on Pritchett with trying to figure out what's going on here.
On April 28th, there's a note that there was no response on Zoom. So
Okay. Done, Mr. Walling.
Thanks.
So we have a note from April 28th saying that Ms. Pritchett did appear in court on April 28th, but they did not get any response from her.
April 16th, she didn't appear.
One moment, please.
It was April 16th, she didn't appear. Scheduled for April 28th, and she didn't. I mean, we didn't get, okay.
Yeah, just
Give me a second.
yeah, just a minute, guys.
Okay, April 16th, no response on Zoom, new date given. The new date was for April 28th, and there was no appearance April 28th. And
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Let me take a look at the tickets. If I have any additional notes. And let's see. You can go ahead and pull the Jessica Taylor file for me, please, Madam Clerk. Thank you. All right, on Jessica Taylor, calling ticket number P1877551 and P1877170, City versus Jessica Taylor. Ms. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
My name is Jessica Taylor.
Thank you. And Ms. Taylor, looks like you're just admitting to blockading traffic. Everything else is being dismissed. Sergeant McWhirter, please state your name for the record.
Master Sergeant Jason McWhorter, Department.
Thank you. Ms. Taylor, is that correct? You're just pleading to admitting to the 0-point offense of blockading traffic?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that are you admitting that on March 24th of 2026 in the area of Randolph and East Grand that you failed to completely stop for a stop sign, which we are entering as a blockading traffic?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. The fine is $175, ma'am. You have 60 days to either pay it or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. To do that, you'll need to give them their down payment within the 60 days. That's how you keep the deal in place. Right now, this is a 0-point ticket that does not report to your insurance. So you want to keep it that way. $175 within the 60 days, okay?
Yes, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Take care. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. All right, no other updates in the system as to, thank you, Sergeant McWhorter, as to Ms. Pritchett.
Have a good weekend.
You too, Sergeant. Thank you. All right, Ms. Pritchett, I'm reviewing your tickets. I'm reviewing the notes that I made on your tickets the last time you had a court date scheduled. On this one, it looks like You've had several failures to appear, which is why I'm a little bit confused. I'm going to look through your whole register of actions.
Can I say something?
Sure.
I talked to you on the 16th. Remember, it kept on taking me out, putting me back in, taking me out, and then I finally talked to you, and you
Right.
read all of them off. I agreed to I think you dismissed like 10 of them. It was probably about 10. I remember I believe 2 of the tickets that I had to go make the payment plan on was like 192 or something like that, and the other one was like $90. So you gave me 30 days to go make a payment plan.
That's strange because I never give 30 days, but
So
right,
what
we'll
was it, between 30 and 60? But you said
and
just
you're
to
saying
make
that this happened on the 16th?
yes.
Okay,
That's
so
when I
Madam
talked
Court
to you.
Reporter, Madam Court Reporter, we're going to need to pull transcripts from April 16th, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Form to you, but we'll need to pull the transcripts from April 16th. All right, what we're going to have to do, I'm going to have to pull the transcripts, Ms. Pritchett, so that we can try to get this figured out. I'm going to give you a date to come back. Madam Court Reporter, how long do you think it'll take us to get the transcripts?
2 weeks, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Ooh. 2 weeks puts us at, we've got May 28th, 4th, 11th. That would be June. We should do the 12th. Do you want to, can you come back on June the 12th? That way I can pull the transcript, see exactly what happened, and we can fix whatever. If something went wrong, we can fix it.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. So I will see you then on June the 12th. All right, June 12th, 8:30 a.m. When you come in, when the attorney comes to see you on that day, just let them know. Just say, hey, they're pulling transcripts because I had an issue, a discrepancy with my last court date. So that you're not just.
And do you want me to come down to the courthouse?
No, you can do it on Zoom. I mean, you're welcome to come down if you want, but it's not necessary. You can just Zoom in on June 12th. By then I'll have the transcripts. We'll be able to see exactly what happened. Madam Court Reporter, I'm going to ask you to pull this transcripts from April 28th as well. So April 16th and April 28th, just to be sure.
Okay, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. All right, then we'll see you back, Ms. Pritchett, on the 12th. We'll get this all worked out, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, then I need the file on Zoe Thomas, please. And then Attorney Gaden Robinson, how we doing?
Yes, can you bring the interpreter and my client out?
Yes.
Thanks, Phyllis.
You're welcome, Phil. You probably owe me though.
You mean again?
Okay, so I'll take the Theum file as well as the Zoe Thomas file, please. On Zoe Thomas, please unmute, turn on your camera, Ms. Thomas. I have calling ticket number P1901031, City versus Zoe Thomas. Good morning, Mr. Walling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Philip X. Walling representing Zoe Thomas. Is Ms. Horn present? Did she get a
Ms.
copy?
Horn, we have a motion. I just want to make sure you're present.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you get a copy, Ms. Horn?
I have not.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I sent it to you.
Can you send Ms. Horn a copy of the Zoe Thomas ticket? Okay, while we wait for you to get that, I'll call the CM matter. All right. Okay, Madam Interpreter, I do need you to turn your camera on, please. And unmute. Thank you. All right, I'll ask you to begin interpreting now.
Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
I just want to make sure. I don't know if Mr. Theum is on the phone. He had a phone. He was holding it up. I just want to make sure the court has his full attention.
Mr. Theum, are you? Well, let me call the case and then it looks like he's paying attention. Okay. Calling ticket number P1899562, P1899678, City versus Amat Theum.
Amat.
Wait,
Madam Interpreter, excuse me, Madam Interpreter, I'm reading the ticket numbers. You should be interpreting that for Mr. Thiam. I'm going to start again, please. Calling
Okay.
ticket number P1899562 and P1899678, City versus Amat Thiam.
Okay, the ticket number was too long for me to catch it. Should I write it down or no? Because they never told me to like read the ticket number one. The judge is reading the ticket number two.
All right, you can just call City versus Amat Thiam.
City versus Ahmad Cham.
Counsel.
Attorney Phyllis Gaden Robinson on behalf of Mr. Thiam.
Ahmad Cham, ki mooy sa attorney, Mrs. Robson.
Your Honor, Mr. Thiam has been made an offer that he would like to take advantage of.
Votre honneur, Ahmad Cham nangu na offre biñ ko jox pour mu fay ticket bi.
If he pleads to the failure to use due care and caution, the other matters will be dismissed.
Nee na bu dee nangu na ni moom moo def ni moom moo pousse red light bi ak yooyu noonu yeneen problème yi dinañ ko annuler.
D'accord.
Okay.
Mr. Thiam, please state your name for the record.
Ahmad Cham sayal sa waxal sa tur pour record bi.
Ahmad Cham.
Mr. Thiam, please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that you are going to tell the truth today.
Ahmad yëkkati sa loxo ndeyjoor nga wax ni tey dëgg rek ngay wax.
maa ngi tudd Ahmad Cham fas yéene tamit def question bu ngeen ma fi laaj rek dinaa ko tontu ci lii dëgg.
My name is Ahmad Cham. Anything that I'm gonna say today will be the truth.
Mr. Thiam, is it true that on April 16th of 2026, you failed to use due care and caution when operating your motor vehicle?
Ahmad Cham ndax yow avril le 16 avril 2026 da nga jalgati woon yoon bi pour jël li nga xamante ni mooy say précaution bi nga yoree sa oto di ko dawal.
waaw mooy li ma police bi jàppee ne dama brûlé feu bi.
Yeah, that's right. That's what the cop said, that I passed the red light.
Okay. Your fine is $130, sir.
Ñu ngi la charge $130 pour nga war ko fay.
You must pay the fine or start on a payment plan with the cashiers within 60 days to keep your deal in place.
Nee na war nga mën a fay xaalis bi $130 war nga commencé def paiement plan di ko fay ndànk-ndànk fii ak 60 jours ndax nga mën a continuer am offre buñ la jox.
If you need to use the longer term payment plan and see the cashiers, they are located on the first floor of the courthouse and they will want a down payment from you.
Nee na bu fekkee da nga bëgg ñu gën laa élargir durée wu paiement bi il faut que nga ñëw ci code bi ci premier rez-de-chaussée bi foofu noonu ci caiche bi ñoom dinañ la mën a dimbali foofu noonu pour nga def paiement.
léegi plan de paiement nu ma ko def online.
Can I make the payment plan online?
You may pay online, wait until tomorrow so that the system is completely updated, then you may do so through the court's website.
Nee na da ngay xaar ba fii ak suba pour mu nekk 24 heures de ce fait ñu système bi ñu reprogrammé war ko nga mën a dugg ci website code bi nga mën a doog a def loolu.
ok bëggoon naa xam su may dugg ci website bi lu laay utiliser pour mën a dugg ci website bi mën a def paiement.
All right, I would like to know what's the website of the courthouse.
You'll have to Google 36 District Court, sir. I don't know it offhand, but you can go to the court's website and then look up a case or balance.
Nee na nga dem xamul waaye mën nga dem Google 36 court nga xool website bi nga xool nooy xoolee sa balance paiement yi.
36, here it is. It's www.
www.
36th
36th
District Court
DISTRICT O U R T S
No S.
R T, pas de S.
MI
MI
.gov.
point GOV.
Right. Have a good day, Mr. Tham. Thank you, Madam Interpreter. Bye-bye.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Bye.
All right. Calling ticket number P1901031, City versus Zoe Thomas. Council appearances, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Zoe Thomas.
Ms. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Zoe Thomas.
Thank you. Ms. Horn, your appearance, please.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit.
Get my
Thank you.
copy of this ticket.
Council?
Yes,
back
Your
to you.
Honor. Ms. Thomas is charged with drag racing spectator. In the notes, it says was observed at French Road and McNichols at an organized drag race event, and Asbury Park and Capitol on an organized drag racing event. Your Honor, there is no indication that my client was anything more than merely present. Mere presence, even with the knowledge that an offense is about to be committed or is being committed, is not enough to make a person an aider and abettor. That's People versus Burrell, 253 Michigan 321, a 1931 case. And I would add, Your Honor, to be People versus Marshall, to be guilty of a crime, there must be a showing of personal fault. There's none of that other than being a spectator, Your Honor, and therefore I think there is insufficient information so that she knows what she's charged with, but there has been no showing of any kind of personal fault or anything to show that she was anything other than merely present. So I'd move to dismiss at this time.
Thank you, Attorney Horn.
One moment, Your Honor. Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. The people believe sufficient notice was made to Ms. Thomas at this date and time on April 17th, 2026 at 11:56 p.m. Your Honor, the statute, or at least our ordinance, it defines spectator as, one moment, exhibition spectator means any person who is present at a dangerous driving exhibition for the purpose of viewing, observing, watching, or witnessing the event as it progresses, and who is at the location without regard to whether the person arrived at the event by driving a vehicle, riding as a passenger, walking, or arriving by some other means. As defined, Ms. Thomas is the alleged spectator, exhibition spectator in this case. Sufficient notice was made. The people wish to proceed and object to the motion for dismissal.
If I may
Thank you.
respond with.
Go ahead.
With all due deference to the City of Detroit ordinance, it does not trump Michigan Supreme Court case, and there is no showing of anything other than she was merely present. So,
as defined by the ordinance.
Thank you. All right. The ordinance does set forth that spectating for presence would qualify under the ordinance as the commission of a crime. It sounds like there may be an issue for trial if there's a question of fact as to what Ms. Thomas's exact participation in this was. What causes the court concern, I will tell you, is from the notes, which are, somewhat detailed for the face of a ticket, that she was observed not only at one location at an organized drag racing event, but two, at two different ones, which is why I suspect she then was ticketed, because it sounds like they're saying they observed her at two different places where these events were moving. around. And so I don't find the ticket to be deficient on its face. I do find that it meets the requirements of due process. I think it's detailed enough as to what she's charged with. If there is a issue that needs to be briefed prior to trial, then certainly someone can brief that prior to trial if we need to get counsel appointed. And we can set a trial date if her exact participation is in question. But I'm not going to dismiss the ticket on that basis at this time.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Can we
Thank you,
put
Your
my,
Honor.
thank you, Ms. Horn. Can we put my client back in a breakout room? I need to get information from her.
Yes, Ms. Thomas, I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to move her to room. I'll move her to room 8, just so she doesn't have to try to navigate around. Attorney Walling, she'll be in room 8.
I'm less worried about her than me getting around. Thank you, though.
Okay.
And Judge, I think Mr. Perkins, he's juggling right now. I did give him the offer, and I believe he has discovery. And I know it's final pretrial. He stated that he would text me once he came out of one session that he's in right now.
Do you know what he's wanting to do? Is he wanting to set the matter for bench trial? He did have a question about his client's ability to travel. He's a musician, so he needs to be able to travel prior to, because I was like, well, it's sentencing. I don't have a problem. He said he needs to travel prior to sentencing. Do you have any objection to that?
No objection, Your Honor. Especially if Zoom is available to him. I think that's fair.
Okay, and he's got the offer. Okay,
Yep.
very good.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back if you guys need me.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
All right, Mr. Phillips, we're just waiting. Your attorney has spoken to the city attorney, and I don't have any objection to your travel request, nor did she, so we can at least get that part worked out. I'm going to move you. Oh, there's attorney. We'll see. Maybe Attorney Perkins is with us now. We shall see. Attorney Perkins, can you hear me?
I can, Your Honor.
Okay, city attorney has confirmed that she has no objection to lifting travel restrictions as to Mr. Phillips. She said you did have the offer. Do you know how you wish to proceed?
Can I have a breakout room with Mr. Phillips?
Yes. All right,
you.
Mr. Phillips, I'm going to put you in room. I'll just move him to room 3, Attorney Perkins.
Thank you.
Okay, please join room 3, Mr. Phillips.
Hey.
Judge wants you to talk to Miss Marable and.
All right, he's in room 3 waiting for you. You're our last case. Let Jane Robinson know she's free to go if she wants to. Attorney Gaten Robinson, just letting you know that if you want to go, you are free to go. Thank you so much for today.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Appreciate your note too in the chat. Thank you for
No
that.
problem.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, we ready on Ms. Thomas?
Yes.
All right. Attorney Walling, we're going to get an MIBC attorney appointed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And did you get Ms. Thomas's information?
I did.
Very good. All right, Ms. Thomas, I'm going to have you come back June 10th at 9:15 a.m. June 10th, 9:15 a.m. I want you to zoom back in here, okay?
Okay.
All right. It's getting hot outside. There's a lot going on around here with young people. Please don't make yourself a part of it. All right. I don't want to see you here on anything else. All right. I'll see you back on June 10th. Okay.
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 I can leave.
Yep, I'm going to help you. Yeah. And then just zoom back in on June 10th and watch your phone and email for an attorney to contact you. If they don't contact you before the next court date, you'll get to meet with them when you come back on June 10th.
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye. Okay, last case is Richard Phillips. That's Attorney Perkins. I don't understand what's going on. All right, Attorney Walling, thank you for everything today.
Thank you, Judge. How'd that go? Any better, worse, or indifferent?
Worked fine for me. Yeah,
Okay.
I have no issues.
Okay. Madam
Keeping
Clerk.
me busy with things is the key. So you keep sending people out and I'll leave you alone. My hyperactivity doesn't get the better of me as long as I'm busy.
Hey, Kim, can I give you got a pencil? Can I just give you that information for my 3 people?
Can you mute yourself and or call me or something?
I could do that.
We're on YouTube, so we don't want to give personal information.
Absolutely.
I can give you the courtroom number.
Yeah, please.
313-965 2405.
Thanks.
Okay.
Like my call and 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. Thank you.
And have a good day, Attorney Walling. I'm gonna step away for a minute while I wait for Attorney Perkins. So have a great rest of the day.
Thank you, Judge. See you tomorrow.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Your Honor, we have a plea.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no problem. She'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, guys, you ready on Mr. Phillips?
Oh, yes.
All right, thank you. All right, calling ticket number Z8099581, City versus Richard Phillips. Attorney Perkins, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court. My name is Todd Russell Perkins, P 55623, appearing on behalf of Mr. Phillips. Mr. Phillips, can you state your name?
Richard Phillips.
And do you agree to appear by way of Zoom today in order to take this plea?
Yes.
Thank you. I as well, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, how are we proceeding today, Attorney Perkins?
Your Honor, the prosecution has made an offer. I guess I could say the court has forethought in what the offer would be, and that is the offer to reduce it from a high BAC to a OWI, understanding that it's has less implications than a high BAC, and I did express some trial rights to Mr. Phillips, and I turn him over to you for the purpose of voir dire as it relates to the plea.
All right, thank you. Okay, Mr. Phillips, looks like sounds like you're pleading guilty to one count of operating while intoxicated. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today? Other than
No.
the charge?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Did counsel advise you that you have the rights to a trial, sir?
Oh,
the right to a
I'm
trial?
sorry. Yeah.
Thank you. And did counsel advise you of the rights that you would have at that trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Sir, on or about December 24th, 2025, were you operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
And was that somewhere on Neff Avenue?
Yes, I was.
Had you consumed alcohol at the time you were operating that vehicle?
Yes.
And had the consumption of that alcohol impaired your ability to operate the vehicle?
I didn't feel it did at the time.
All right. Attorney Perkins, I have breathalyzer results of 0.172 and 0.178. Is there an objection to those to establish the factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Then I will find that the guilty plea is rendered as long as you are satisfied with the factual basis, Attorney Perkins.
I am satisfied with that, Your Honor. Yes.
So, Mr. Phillips, even though you did not feel that your ability to operate it was impaired, the blood alcohol level would still take you above the legal limit, satisfying the needs for the plea today. Okay?
Yes, I can.
All right. You're going to come back for sentencing. Counsel has told me, counsel, you're making a motion to have any and all travel restrictions removed as to Mr. Phillips. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. He is actually going to Toronto for performances, and I think he has some in-state, continental performances too.
Well, that's wonderful. Okay, so we'll move all travel. We will remove all travel restrictions at this time. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. And then we will see you back. We're going to need to see you back for sentencing. Now that's going to be maybe tricky with your touring schedule because they're going to want to, probation's going to want to do an interview with you. So you'll work with them to get that set up. Attorney Perkins, what's our next sentencing date, Madam Clerk? Let's see if that works for him.
July 22.
Does July 22nd work for both of you?
That's fine, Your Honor.
Yes,
That'll give us enough time to get that interview too.
Okay, very good. So we'll see you back July 22nd at 8:30 a.m. for sentencing. Okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right. Thank you.
Both of you. Have a good weekend.
All right,
Thanks.
Mr. Phillips.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Madam Court Reporter, for your work today. Appreciate you very much.
Thanks, Judge. Have a good day, everyone.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Okay.